We've already used innerHTML quite a bit here, but I want to quickly show you a little more about it. First, let's look at our example right here where we set innerHTML. I just passed in a string all about cats, but in fact, I could put HTML tags inside that string. So I could surround cats with M tags, and you can see it shows up emphasized. Or down here, where I changed dog to cat, I could surround this with strong tags, and it shows up strong, bold. I could even write an image tag inside here, or put an entire webpages HTML in here, if I really wanted. So that's pretty neat because it means we can do a lot with innerHTML. If we're only changing the text, actually, we don't even need to use innerHTML. We can just use the textContent property. And that means that the browser won't interpret what you pass as HTML and will just render it as plain text. Notice if I change this to textContent, my brackets show up. Gross. So in that case, we're just going to get rid of them because the browser refuses to turn them into actual HTML. So if you do want to just set the text, just use textContent. If you want to pass in some HTML tags and have them interpreted as HTML, then use innerHTML. Once you start doing more advanced DOM manipulation, you should be more careful about using innerHTML and textContent because they'll also remove event listeners that you've attached to the elements inside, which you'll learn how to do soon. In the next talk through, I'll show you a more sophisticated way to insert new elements and text in your page.